To familiarize ourselves with the buttons on the generator, the first button on the left is a volume knob and power button. To activate or turn off the unit, simply press the button in. The next port on the top of the unit is a USB-C port. This is used to charge the battery or transfer files. There's also an inductive charge available on the front. The following button is a toggle switch between primary and secure audio files. There is a line out port that takes a standard headphone jack, as well as a 3-position toggle switch. When the toggle switch is all the way to the left, the sound will come out the speaker on the back of the unit. When the toggle switch is all the way to the right, it sends the audio out to the transducers. When the toggle switch is in the center position, it sends to the speaker on the back of the unit as well as the transducers. The red and black connector here is where you connect your transducers. To connect them, simply depress the colored switches, insert the wires into the port, and ensure that they're securely connected. On the back of the unit, you have the external speaker, as well as 2 indicators at the top. The power indicator will turn green to indicate that you have sufficient battery. If the secondary indicator shows red, this indicates that you're charging successfully. The light will turn off when fully charged.